Backtesting every day until profitable day 104. What was this? Can I click on it? I'm actually interested. Alright. Never mind then. So yeah, backtesting again today. Let's see. So I just created this one to check how far I could go back in time. And you can literally go on a 1 second in 2012. Literally see the data from here. Like, I don't know if this is accurate, but like a 45 second or like a 30 second. Oh, there's that weird time as well. Let me just see what the candles are like. Yeah, so you can actually go back on a second chart in 2012, which is crazy, but I can't remove this. I don't know any other way how to remove it. I think you can take a trade and then you can remove it. Okay. I think I can remove it now. Yeah. Alright, so where I left off yesterday. It's right here. Strategy set or analysis. Analysis, what am I saying? Session analytics. Alright, so at the highest that's ever been again. Took a W on that last trade, I think. And yeah, they're going really well. And almost at the end of 2021 now. Or what am I even backtesting? 2022, yeah. So now in October. And just start October, so we'll see. Fewer months, of course. And let's see here. There. Expand this. Get my Forex Factory in here. 1 second chart. I wanted to remove this. So let me just go back really quick. Didn't mean to do this. And play. Don't want this on here, but it's what it is. Never mind. Okay, so put this here. Let's do my analysis here. So I know I'm still looking for bearish prices. Let's first check what day it is so I can look. Yo, Brian. Yo, you got a profile picture or a different one? It's good, man. How are you, man? So that was the Friday. Go to the next day now, which is Monday, and then 10th of October 2022. Bank holiday. I won't be trading this day, Columbus Day. Go to Tuesday, where I'll only be trading the AM session. Wednesday, full trading session. This is basically like this upcoming week. FOMC meeting minutes, no FOMC statement. Oh, we do have CPI this week. Let's see. So I'll be trading it Tuesday, only AM session. Go to the next day. Did drop into all the sell side, so that's all taken now. And let's see, we do have this bigger time frame. Sell side liquidity, which is the range low, which is also still here on, yeah, so it does look like we're trading towards it. And I'm looking for shorts, yeah, towards it again. See where we are in price here. So 4 hour. From swing high to swing low, you have a singular SIBI here, 4 hour, which gets used as resistance. This is the low hanging fruit. Let's see what we have on a yes. Yes. I think you already took that low. So yes, the low hanging fruit would be here. Just remove all this. Don't remove this. And then let's see what we wrecked off of on a yes. That's also 4 hour. Right there, and then I'm expecting again for it to go to internal or to external here, and then to the sell side there. So I'm looking for shorts towards the low there. Let's see what we have here. So 15 minutes. do have this swing low here, and then we did close below. Ooh. Shit. Yeah, so on the 15 minutes, we took out the range high here, which is this here. And then we traded below this busy, close below is as well. This is now the first swing low as a target, then here as well. So I think like 930 will take this, maybe get like a retracement in here, and then I'm hoping that maybe this inversion will hold, or just this price in here, and then from there go lower into these equal lows, which he has already taken out, so we do have an SMT, it doesn't really matter though. But the sell side would be here on NQ. Okay, so let's see with this. So that's 930. Okay, trade a bit higher. Yeah, I think we're just gonna drop into it. Okay, nothing yet. So they take equal highs on this. We have no inversion, so no trade. There's the sell side. I'm still looking for shorts towards the sell side all the way lower, which is not even visible here. But still it's gonna be going with the trend here. So just looking for more structure. Taking out all these highs, have a busy here. Let's see what we do. Nothing here. We did close above this. We did take equal highs as well. This would be a trade in the right time as well. This would be a trade. That's the inversion or closure below, which is my entry. Stop at the high. Do have an SMT at this high as well. Doesn't really matter though. Oh, you don't. Yeah, we do. Okay. So we took out this swing high. We took out this swing high. We took out equal highs with this. Then I have a fractal leg here. Sorry. So we have a fractal leg here from swing low to swing high, singular inversion. It's going to be really, really tight break even. First EP will be the fixed 1 to 2. Right there. If you want to get there, and we'll see. And then break even on the S will be right here. And yeah, let's see here. So that's a break even. Break even trade. Did prevent me from getting fully stopped. I wouldn't enter on this. No, okay, so that's good. So break even trade. And then get my notion here. And then paste in the break even folder. Alright, let's see. So still looking for shorts here. Took out these equalize now. A fractal leg would be a 2-minute inversion then. Don't want to close below, obviously. Trade higher. See how much higher we can go. On the S we don't have an imbalance. 1 hour. Okay. So we do have this inversion then. Like this high here and then, or this bis here and then this bis here. I'm just gonna mark this out as an inversion. And then on NQ, maybe a forced. Also nothing here. Yeah, so just mark out this here. And then where we're trading into, that'll be 30-minute SIBI. Let's just mark that out and keep it simple. Oh, and then the S would be the 50-minute SIBI here. We're trading higher than that obviously as well. So I'm just gonna mark out optimal trade entry here. And then see if you get a reaction off of this. Still looking for shorts though. Do have like a build up of nice low resistance liquidity here, which like looks like a trend line here in ES. Let's see. Gonna venting here. Do a 2 minutes still. So if you close below, then that's an entry. 1, 2 in the right time as well. So this is an entry. ES didn't tap optimal trade entry, but that doesn't matter because we're still inside of this 30-minute SIBI on NQ, so we don't have to. This is that inversion closure below. That's the entry. There. Stop at the high. Break even will be at this low. First TP at least 1 to 2. That will be extended there. Pretty big stop, pretty big TP. With bias pair we should go there. This is break even. And that will be break even here on yes. Let's see. Not there yet. Okay, so doesn't look like news, but we had a huge push here. Fortunately didn't take out the lows, but that's going to be a full loss. So there. And then still allowed to take one more trade. Don't know if there's going to be forming anything, but we'll see. Nothing here. Oh, it's summer trading time now. Yeah, that was still in summer trading time, so no excuses there. And it was only the AM session trading because of medium impact folder news. So now go to Wednesday where we have PPI. Oh, and we do. Yeah, we didn't have anything here. I was just thinking, but Wednesday we have G20 meetings, so I'm skipping this entire day. And go to Wednesday. See if you have meetings here as well. Oh wait, this is Thursday now. Yeah, Thursday. We have meetings here as well, so I also won't be trading this day. I think we did drop into the sell side. Yeah, we did. Okay, so we did take out the sell side here, so I would be bullish here again. And then this day is now Friday. And yeah, okay, so I will be trading this day. We do have 10 AM news. Yeah, and I would be bullish here again. Like, this is now the range low. Bigger time frame, there's no reason for price to go lower. And then, like, I haven't seen this too much. So, like, what do I need, like, a shift on the, like, for example, like a 4-hour shift before I can be looking for longs again? Or, yeah, like, I want to have it objective as possible. And, like, if we just took out the sell side, I'm just gonna still do the same as, like, okay, we take a 4-hour low, at least 5 minutes roll sweep, and that's it, I think. But I don't have anything else. Now, this does, like, look really bullish then again, of course, but, like, how am I gonna do that in the future? I think this is just fine, but yeah, we'll see how this works out. It is my plan now. But yeah, is it a good plan also? Like, but we're gonna see. I should be bullish here again. Looking at this as a market maker buy model. This is a stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model. That will be a target here as well. This will be a target. This will be a target as original consolidation. And let's see what we have here where we traded into. 2 hour obviously closed below here. Makes us take the swing low and this then as well. But we did take out this again, so it's just again bullish. And then let's see if we want to close above this, creating an inversion on this as well. And let's see here, we do have 10 AM news, no other news. We did at 8:30 news as well. Yeah, and only 10 AM news, okay. So yeah, let's see what this is a low hanging fruit. Here as well. And let's see here. Just zooming in the structure. 8:30 data wick is all the way there. See if we just go higher from here or let's see. Okay, close above this. Did we take any liquidity? Took out one low here, perfectly equal lows here as well. But yeah, didn't take any liquidity, so no trade here. So be waiting. And do get a drop lower, probably into 8:30 here. So let's see us drop more lower, or more lower, just lower. We do have 10 AM news, so after 9:45 I won't enter. Otherwise this would be a setup, but yeah, waiting until 10 AM. Good, waited. Don't want to be in that, of course. And yeah, bullish prices. Look for bullish prices. To take out all these lows here, so let's see where we are now in the range. So 2 hour, we have this busy here where we closed below now. So maybe it is going to be looking for shorts. 2 hour on yes, also closed below here. This is fully balanced, so it's going to be looking for shorts. We did close below here, yeah. So it is going to be looking for shorts here as well. Yo, Fido, how are you, man? Close below here. This is fully balanced, so this is going to be the target, trading towards that target. And I could look at this as a market maker sell model. So stage of accumulation here will be a target as well. It's all taken. This is the only target then as a stage of accumulation in this market maker sell model. Do have liquidity inside of here, and that will be it. Yeah, no other swing low. 5 minutes. Yeah, won't look at this. Just stage accumulation here. This, yeah, no swing low in there, so nothing there. Then stage accumulation here. Okay, so this is going to be the target, and then it isn't going to end here. I want to see price take this low and then from there trade lower. or trade through there, like not just on a 1 minute chart, but eventually do trade through there. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. Let's see here. Take out the sell side there now. So still looking for lower. Nothing here, still waiting. Okay, we did take out equalize here. I have a BIS here, it looks pretty clean. Do you want to close below though? We do 1042 in the right time as well. This would be the inversion. This is the closure below. This is going to be the stop. This does look like all lower resistance liquidity. But on... actually, we took out one eye here. See what ES did. Yeah, ES did take out equalize here. So place order. Place order. That's going to be my break even. Okay. Or here break even on yes. Do have perfectly equal lows there, so that does look good. That's going to be the break even, and then first TP is going to be a 1 and 2 because that's the side on 1 and 3. And we have no other stage of accumulation, so that's going to be first TP, and then this is going to be final if you want to get there. So let's see here. That's a break even trade. Yeah. Let's see here. So that's break even. Is there another opportunity here before I miss it? Doesn't look like it. Okay, that did prevent me getting fully stopped, so that's good. Copy image. Break even. 1102. Still looking for an entry inside of here. We closed below here, 1110. Took out this high here. Yes, didn't do anything here, so just waiting, and this is going to be outside my trading time. See if there would be singular inversion in this entire leg. In this fractal leg, I mean. No, we don't have anything here, so skipping this to the PM session. Do eventually trade lower. They're pretty choppy, I would say, but we do trade lower. It's still going to be looking for shorts. See where we trade it into. Could say like this order block here, but just looking at the inefficiencies. Well, and we don't have any inefficiencies. Just looking at structure, yeah, we didn't take out any liquidity going lower, but still it's going to be following the trend. But we could just have a big push to the upside and taking all these highs. So I don't need, like, I'm saying, like, I don't want to be surprised, and I'm not gonna be surprised this way. Failed to close below, we're below second stage for distribution, so if we close below, which we did, then this will be an entry, which we didn't actually. No, we perfectly respected it. Okay, to prevent me from getting lost there, so that's beautiful. Seeing that nice there. Take out equal highs here now. That's really nice. And I have a singular busy in this fractal leg. So this is the inversion. This is going to be the candle closure below. It's going to be the target, I think. No, will be extended to 1 and 2, which is that low, which hasn't been taken on yet. So that looks also really good. You have equal lows here as well. Right there, that'll be full first TP. And then yeah, let's see if you want to get there. And break even is going to be at a 1 to 1 on NQ. And on ES, that is at the low here. So let's see with this. Okay, so that's a full stop. Unfortunate. Copy the image. Paste in here. So another loss could happen, of course. See with this. Nothing in here. Waiting. Waiting to drop lower. 13.51. Do we have any other news? No, so this would be a trade again. Still, this buy side took out. Did it? Fell to close above, yes. So yeah, it is a trade. Even though I don't really like it, but it is going to be an entry here. Closure below on this. Stop. The 1-1 break even. It's going to be with the sell. Oh, they changed this. Okay, that's good. Sell stop. Because I would be entered in here already. This is going to be a break even. And then, yeah, let's see with this. 1 and 2 first EP. Yes, this is going to be break even. And then we'll see here. Okay, so that would be a full stop again, and I'm not missing here anything here. No, yeah, that's gonna be 2 full losses, so that's unfortunate. So going back on this, yeah, I'm filled in here, that's good, and like a full stop on this, so that'll be 2 losses on the day. Now I walk away. That can happen also, of course. Okay, let's see what we eventually did this day. Yeah, everything, ooh, actually, is it? Yeah, it was all in the right time. Yeah, nothing to be said about this. Like, we do eventually get the run lower, so this would be, yeah, really unfortunate, but yeah. I would say bias was correct here, like we still do go lower a bit. Pretty choppy though, but yeah, we eventually do go lower. Nice run there, but yeah, unfortunate. Friday, go to the next day now, which is going to be Monday. IPEC full news, no trading Tuesday, AM trading Wednesday, AM trading, or no, entire day trading Thursday, and no trading on Friday. Do get a big push higher. So it did get like a small run here, nothing too crazy. And I'm still bearish because we inverse this, still inside of that range. Same on yes, still inside of that range. Or that changes if we close above that 4-hour SIBI, which is going to be here. But we have to do it on both. So we have to do it on ES and we have to do it on NQ. Otherwise it's still inside of that range, still going to be looking for shorts until the sell side here. So let's see with this. So yeah, going to be looking at 10 AM. See what we have there. Nice run higher here. All these lows here as well. But a really big push. We'll see what we do though. 9:30 and then 8:30 news, but no other news. Let's see what we do. 9:39. Still gonna be looking for short, so if there's a setup, I need to take it. I do need to take this, even though it looks so bad. Oh no, actually no. Oh, sorry. I thought that this side took out the liquidity, but it didn't. And this is like, this looks so far reached, I know, but I know it works. So that's the thing. But yeah, still waiting for more price here, of course. 10 AM now, and what I said, candle closure above. Now I'm gonna be looking for bullish prices again. This is going to be the target now. For yes as well is now the inversion. This is going to be the target now, and bullish prices again. Let's see. Don't have a single inefficiency, so just looking at the structure we have. Looks really, really bullish. Just trading lower, also like a pool flag, and this would be on our side. Really don't look at that, but just funny to look at. But let's see what this does. 10:06. Do we have anything in here? No. Waiting for more structure. Do need to see a manipulation lower. Okay, we did take out one low here. We do have sell side below this low still, so let's see if we can drop lower. We do. Taking out these lows now. If you inverse this, and that's gonna be an entry. Okay, we didn't inverse, so no entry. Did take out these equal lows now. 10:35 in the right time as well. So candle closure above there, that's going to be the inversion. It's going to be the entry, that's going to be the stop. Break even is going to be at a 1-1 fixed here. Because this is beyond the 1-1 RR, where I would be break even there. And then first CP will be a fixed 1 and 2, because there is no stage of accumulation in this market maker buy model. Looking at the liquidity here. There, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2, and then this will be final if we even want to get there. Place order, buy. And break even on NQ is at a 1-1. Break even at a yes is just at this high here. And then let's see with this. We got filled, of course, because of market execution. We don't like this choppy price action, and we do drop lower. Fortunate, full loss again. 3 loss losing streak now, or 3 losing streak now. Yo, Maker, do you only look at lower time frame? No. No. I did my analysis before, and yeah, it's like now it looked really simple. But yeah, I also do look at the higher time frames. It's just looking now for the structure where we are in. Like, there's no reason for me to be looking at the higher time frame. This is the higher time frame. Like, well, what can I get out of this? So I'm just looking at the lower time frame now, looking for the entries and looking at the structure. I do trade with the higher time frame, Maker. Yeah, I don't know what this week is. See, CPI, that's GBP though. Yeah, nothing really here. It's still October, okay. So let's see what we have here. So now looking at this. 30 minute, we don't have anything here. 50 minute on yes. We have a singular 50 minute imbalance here, still holding. Have all these equalize up here. They close below now, back above. That'll be a reclaim busy. That's going to be a low hanging fruit. That's going to be a target. It's going to be a target as well, because these will be stage of accumulation in a market maker buy model. And then this was already taken on yes. We have an SMT there as well. Still from there. And then optimal trader didn't even tap it to hold this busy here as well. Just looking at the structure again. We do have an SMT at this low, really tiny SMT though, but we'll see. And yeah, we'll be trading this entire day because of the high impact for news. Let's see what we do. Taking out these equal lows now. Have a SIBI here. See if we want to close above. We do. 30-50 manipulation. That looks really good. Stop at the low. That's going to be break even. Actually at a 1-1. It's going to be right there. That'll be the break even. First CP at least a 1 and 2, so not even that high. So it's going to be extended until 1 and 2. That's going to be first CP if you want to get there. I do think that this looks pretty good. Same on yes there. And then this high there. And then on the yes, break even will be at the high up here. And for NQ, yeah, this black line here. And then 1 and 2 is going to be first TP. And then the final TP will be extended until this start here if you want to get there again. Taking out equal lows on this. Having the inversion on here. So I already took 1 loss on this day. So it's going to be either this is going to be a win or a loss. And then that will be it for today. Or for this day. Let's see what we do here. Nothing here. Still waiting. Still waiting. Pretty choppy again. Still waiting. That's going to be break even now. Let's see if we want to go to that 1 and 2. Still holding here. That's hit on 1301. Wasn't news. No, it wasn't news. So I do want to take this off like an FX replay. If I take it off now, that'll be here. So I'm going to wait until the candle comes back. Hopefully it does. So I can actually take it off there. Okay, so that'll be break even. But yeah, going to take it off somewhere there. So going back on this replay. Trade with the trend and mark out higher time frame. Yeah, I do, man. I do. 65k account balance is good. What was the initial balance? Was 50k. And I'm doing the entire of 2022 now. 2022 backtesting. So going to be placing the order here again. And it's like 90% mechanical. So like I'll be literally saying some trades will literally be like, I don't like this trade, but I need to take this trade because of my plan. It is saying so. And yeah, sometimes there are really great trades like that. Of course, like it's not going to work 100% time, but let's see if I can actually take it. It can go back to the 1 and 2, so I can actually take it off because there was no opportunity for me to take it. Let's see if I can actually take it off there now. Come on. Come on now. Okay. I don't know what this price action is. Of course, the mark. Oh shit. Should have done it there. A bit closer to it, please. Okay. That'll be a bit above. Yeah, really gonna look at it that much. Let me just go back to make it really fair. Yeah, okay, right there. 75% off there. And then it was a break-even trade, of course, so no need to go back all the way there. Hopefully we don't go to the buy side there. Wouldn't be trading this is Asia session, so yeah, this is really stupid to do this. There's no way it's gonna go back here. I'm just gonna go back on this, take like 80% off here, and then it'll be good. How long have you been trading / learning? I've been trading with this model now for a few months, for 4 months, I would say. And then I've been learning in total 1.5 years now. 1 month support and resistance, then did like 6 months of TGR trading, or like 4 months, and now 1 month with IST concepts, and then 4 months I would say just trading or just finding my model, and then this model actually trading this. Yeah, 4 months I think now. Yeah, then, but still yeah, still trying to improve everything. Oh shit, shouldn't even be on there. Okay, let me look at that wick there, and then take like, yeah, what is it, like 80% off, 81%. Then it was break even trade. Nice. So there, inversion, 102 RR, 75% off here, and then I know I'm gonna copy this base in Notion. TGR is worst guide to learn from, brother, but you're doing good, I see. Thank you, man. Yeah, I wouldn't say like no, definitely isn't the worst. Like they're probably way less good people to learn from. But TGR, yeah, I don't know with the like his strategy, but really he got me into like the psychology, man. Like I started with like his bootcamp that really got me into trading, and that was really psychology, I would say, and that was so good. Like that already makes him like not the worst. But yeah, that's where I started. But yeah, do you only trade futures? Yeah, only trade futures. Only trade NQ, and then use ES for the divergences. So that'll be the Monday. Go to the next day now. That'll be Tuesday, no news here, so I skipped this. Wednesday, only AM session trading because of medium impact folder news. Thursday, I'll be trading the entire day, and Friday, no trading. See where we are in the charts. Obviously took out the buy side there. But ES as well, even took out the stage of accumulation here in this market maker buy model. Still going higher from here. Let's see where we are. The inversion is way too low. Let's just look for something else here. The original consolidation in this fractal market maker buy model is going to be the target now. So trading towards it. Have a singular BISI here on the 12-hour. Right there. Also have a, what is this? A new day opening gap. Yeah, it is 14 to 18, yeah. So it's going to be the close to the opening here. Let me just mark that out as well. Don't even have it on here actually. Equilibrium. Let me just not even put it on there. We're already in that BISI, doesn't really matter. And then here, 12-hour singular BISI here as well. You also trade IST concepts maker. So low hanging fruit to be up here. Same here. We do still have liquidity below this low inside of this imbalance. Maybe you want to go there, don't have to. We could go there. Bias is still bullish though. News Wednesday. Yeah, only AM session trading, no high impact folder news. Let's see what we do here. Do have this 1 hour singular SIBI. Do want to see this get used as an inversion. I'm anticipating this get used as an inversion of, yes, it will be 30 minutes. So the high, the CE, and the low are going to be the most sensitive. This for NQ. Let's see what we have here. Honestly expecting for it to drop lower. Maybe that could be the Judas thing, but we'll see. If the bullish setup is going to form, I need to take it. See what we do here. Just looking at the structure now to drop lower. 951, nothing here yet. this low, took out all these lows here. Oh no, okay. 2 minutes. Yeah, okay, 3 minutes. Okay, that would be a 3-minute inversion, but we don't even have it. And now it's waiting for 10 a.m., which is here. And then we did respect this with 10 a.m. We did respect this like inversion. We did respect it as a SIBI. I still want to see us go higher, but we have all these lows now. Like I wouldn't be surprised if we drop into those lows, create more structure from there, and then go higher. Take out that low, nothing here though. Waiting for more structure still. Do trade higher, so that's nice. Like that's just beautiful. Like we don't have to take the low, but just so I don't get surprised. But it's nice that we just get this run here. Fail to close below. If you close above, then that would be an entry, which we don't. So we're still waiting. Still dropping lower. Let's see where we are in. You have a singular 50-minute busy here also. Let me just mark this out. And then ES is dropping also into a singular 50-minute busy, also in that inversion. Don't even have to mark it out. Do these guys like teacher just Wordline are only good on psychology? Justin Wordline is literally good on like I would say technical analysis as well. Psychology 100%, but really technical analysis as well. Learned so much from him as well. It's just crazy. There are much better mentors on the technical part. Like don't even know who that is actually. MBB Omar. Also ICT trader. This guy? Oh, I do. I've seen his face before. I'm gonna watch his podcast. Or his podcast for his wisdom. Gonna look. Thank you, man. Maker. Like I really didn't look into the guy, but I did see him like with some other traders on, I don't know. But I'll look into that guy. I trade ICT. Nice, man. Nice. What do you trade? Like your USD or? So let's see. Still looking for bullish price here inside of that imbalance. Oh. Yes, sure. Thank you for subscribing, man. Thank you. Let's see what we do here. Taking out all these lows here. 11:05 still in the right time. That's the inversion. That was my entry. Let's go back on this. Here, taking out these equal lows on yes at the low of this singular busy. That's the candle closure. That's the entry. That's a stop. Break even is not at this high. It's going to be at an open imbalance. But this is outside of 1-1, so it'll be a 1-1 break even. Place order. Save. These 1 and 2 first EP. That'll be first EP because it's stage of accumulation in this market make a buy model. And it's at least a 1 and 2, so that'll be first, and then this will be final. Same on yes, and then break even on yes would be at the open inefficiency, which there isn't, so it's going to be at the high there. Stop at the low. Let's see. Oh shit. And then the 1-1 was right here. Let's see. Okay, so that's break even. Does look good, but it could reverse. Nothing yet. Waiting. Oh, thank you. What's that? Oh, thank you. Dropping lower at break even now. Still didn't hit it. Okay, break even trade here. Did prevent me of getting fully stopped, so that's good. Break even there. Still the bias is bullish from here, but this is now outside my trading time, so go to the PM session. Do get a really big drop lower here. Still going to be bullish, but let's see where we are now. And it is the entire day trading. Wednesday. Yeah. Oh no, it isn't. Only the AM session trading, so going to the next day now, which will be Thursday. If you listen to that podcast, you will throw everyone else. Bro, I'm really curious now. Thank you, man. Trade turtle soup. Wow, that's crazy. I use daily for nice, man. Wow. And you profitable as well? I honestly haven't, like I know what turtle soups are, but I haven't found anyone that actually trades turtle soups. Like you only, like the only one I know is gonna be Romeo on Twitter, but he's full of crap. So jet drop lower. This is Thursday now. Did we have news? 8:30 news. Still bullish from here. We did close below this, but we didn't take our range high, so it's still going to be bullish. Did take out a sell side in the bigger time frame imbalance, And then this is going to be low hanging fruit here as well. And I'm still expecting for it to trade higher after this. Stage of accumulation will be here in this market make a buy model. Here as well, these are almost equal. So let me just mark out this. And then still holding this 30-minute BISI also. Singular 30-minute BISI there. And then, yes, same thing. Didn't take out a range high, no, so it's still going to be acting as a BISI. So it did go lower, obviously, and then this would be where we traded into. Which is equilibrium, maybe even optimal trade entry. We did. Yes, as well. There, just gonna be, I don't even have to mark it out on here anyway. But let's just keep this like this, and then no other news. No, so let's see. Look for bullish prices. Okay. Did you have a one tick imbalance here? I think, yeah, we do. Taking out all these equal lows. 938 is this going to be an entry. Stop at the low. Taking out this low. Oh, actually, yeah. Yes, took out all these equal lows. Did we take out a 4-hour low? No, we didn't. So it is going to be an entry. That could be a nice 930 reversal. Could also be a really quick stop. We'll see. Place order. Break even is going to be at the opening efficiency 0.82R. That is good. That's first TP. Break even on yes will be same thing here. That'll be on this candle and Q the sides here. And let's see. Okay, so that's an wait, what? Yeah, that was actually an instant stop. Should be stopped here. Maybe we go back. A really unfortunate stop, but it was a stop. I'm not gonna go and say I took this then. So let me just go back. Yeah, really unfortunate stop, but it is what it is. Can we go back? Yes. Yes, bro, I'm currently funded on FTMO 2RK and looking to go. Nice, man. Wow. And already got payouts. Romeo is a great trader, but his internet personality is ugly. I learned some shit. Why did I say shit? Some from him, but mostly of the strategy from a called Speculator. Don't know him. I don't know if, yeah, I really don't know anything about Romeo, but like how he pretends on Twitter. Like, how are you gonna pretend that and actually, how are you actually profitable and then pretend like that? Like, that's just crazy. But yeah, need to get stopped out here, which it was there. Then I'm gonna mark this out in my Notion. It was really unfortunate, but there wouldn't be 941. Okay, there would be a re-entry, so that's really good. But gonna mark out this in Notion. So copy image. Oh. And then yeah, to equal lows. This is so annoying on yes. Okay, copy image. That's going to be a loss, full loss. And there is a re-entry in here because we take out the liquidity here, we take out this low, and we take perfectly equal lows here now. And then still in the right time, 941. Still the inversion. Is it even an inversion? It is, yeah. And it doesn't matter for me like how big the inversion is. If it's an inversion, it's an inversion. Closure above on this. Replay. But stop is going to be pretty big though here. But yeah, maybe not even a TP. Like could be just break even trade, but we'll see. So that's the entry. Stop is really big, but it is there. Place order. Still, this is the break even. 1 and 2 fixed TP now. At least need a 1 and 2 TP or 1 and 2 RR. Right there, and then on ES that's still is here break even, and then first TP, yeah, that's still gonna be there for NQ. So let's see here. So that's break even now. Let's see. Okay, so that is TP. That's nice. 75% goes off here. So 1 2 RR 75% off here. Top, it is on the right, just like here. And then this will be final TP, stage of accumulation in this market make a buy model. And that was up here all the way. And then for yes, that's the same thing. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's actually here. So if yes takes it out here, doesn't matter. Yes doesn't really look as bullish as NQ, but the TP isn't gonna be there, it's gonna be here. So let's see here. Full TP. Put this also on the right. Put this on the top. Let's see here, stop the break even. So we're just gonna let this run, either break even trade or full TP, or the market closes. But we did hit full TP, so that's really nice. Yeah, that'll be it there. Copy image, paste it into Notion. Remove all this, and then nice direction as well. We're still inside of that singular busy, which is a singular 30 minutes, which this got closed back above, and then yeah, that was also like a retracement which we're holding. But then still inside of this bigger time frame busy as well. So, what is it? ES as well. Nice direction higher. That's all I need there, and then see what the rest of the day did. If it wanted to go take out these stage of accumulation, or wanted to go to even these highs, which is actually the draw on liquidity, but yeah, no, for me, I would already be done. But let's see what we did though the rest of the day. Yes, bro, I've been getting payouts and working hard to keep them coming. Nice, man. Wow, that's insane, man. How long have you been trading now? Look at that reaction. Look at that. That's just beautiful. That D-stage accumulation, like where direction could be. Like in the market make a buy model, we don't have to take the original consolidation. Just reaction of like the stage of accumulation. Have you tried to have a strict TP for 2R because you only need... Have you tried to have a strict TP? What do you mean? Just only the 1 and 2 TP and no runner, you mean? Like I don't have no data on that, but yeah, I would say that would also be like, it would still be profitable. Like just me going to the stats. Like I take 75% off at least at a 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 TP, I take 75% off, and then always let 25% run. It could be a full break even, so no other profits. So yeah, that's 25% break even, or it could go to a draw on liquidity, or just yeah, just like a runner, and then could be more profit. But I think it would be, yeah, I don't want to go off of wait, what did I do? Did this just change? Wait, what? Let me check. What did I just do? I was really scared here for a second. I thought that I deleted something, or... Let me just go back. 66. Oh, it's the same. What? I was scared here. I thought I lost everything. But yeah, let me go to not this. Yeah, oh yeah, that's freaked me out there. Okay. So the session analytics. So yeah, it's gonna be like my average R. Like I would say this is like an extreme. So 35% to a 50% win rate, 35 being a extreme as like a low win rate, and 50% being a extreme of like a high win rate. I would say like the strategy is like, or my strategy around like a 40% win rate. But yeah, now it's going really well. Average RR is also really looking really good, and then yeah, slowly building, and it's like 90% mechanical, which is what works for me. And yeah, I think it's just beautiful. But yeah, these are the results then. Fixed 1 to 2 TP and then no runners. I think that would also be profitable. Like I wouldn't have the runners on there, but I also don't see like any major spikes of taking like big profit. Like I don't see any major spikes. So that's also like a consistent growth. Like no, yeah, I think you know what I mean. But yeah, exactly no runner. If you have 1 and 2 and take 100% off, then you only need 50% win rate to be profitable. Yeah, I would say 50, only 50. 50 is pretty. I would say that's a lot still. Even on 4%. Yeah. But still, like this is what like works for me, and what I think is like I want to have runners on there. Like if I look at this as like it's like, yeah, I want to do this for long term, obviously. So if I want to be actually trading this on like a live account in eventually, I want to just be trading the strategy that I was trading at the beginning. Like it could be some changes, but I would like to have a runner. If it was my live capital, of course, why not a runner? If it's still profitable, why not as well? And then yeah, Like it's only 25%. I'm totally fine with taking 75% off. That would be a what is it? 0.75 R if I take a 1 yeah, what is it, like 1.5 even on backtest more 1.2 is solid R for consistent results. Yeah, like yeah, I just I think that's all personal, right? Like 1.2 fixed could work for someone, but it could also work for someone else, but it could also work like what am I doing, like 1.2 R and then 25% running, like that also works. I think 1.2 fixed would also work, but I think that's just personal. Like it's only 25% anyway. I'm yapping too much. Let's see where I was. Go to the next day, which is going to be Friday, and I won't be trading this day because we have no news. Google win rate. Yeah, I know what you mean. Win rate table. Let's see. So 1 to 2 RR, 40% win rate. Yeah, exactly 40. Yeah, it was 40, right? Yeah. Yeah, 1 to 2, 40. But yeah, of course, you don't have the runners on here, which is all going to be different. Some runners are more, sometimes no runners, but yeah. Do you buy meme coin? No, I'm not into meme coins. No. Maybe I should. Just a fun way to trade, but yeah, I don't have and I don't want to put my capital on meme coins. So yeah, that was Friday. Go to the next day now, which is going to be Monday. Then we'll be trading the entire Monday. High impact folder news on this. Tuesday as well. Wednesday only AM session trading. Thursday entire day trading. Friday, yeah, looks like a good week. We do have the daylight time shift here, October 29th. Let's see what we have here. A nice reaction of that singular busy, taking out the original consolidation in that market maker buy model and the fractal market maker buy model. Still trade higher from here. Holding this singular SIBI still on the 12-hour, but still the bias is bullish now in the bigger time frame. So I'm expecting that to be an inversion, or to be acting as an inversion. For yes, it looks even better. Singular busy here holding. And then the low hanging fruit would be up this high combined with this higher, which are basically equal. So those are going to be the targets. And then for NQ, we are inside of this singular 8-hour busy. So really simple, I wanted to see us go from this busy to the buy side up here, which is just internal to external then. Save this here. And then news wise, we do have news, which is going to be 9:45 news. So I'm going to wait at least until 9:45 releases. This is so annoying that I can't do this on a 30 minutes. 1 hour. If we close below, then it's going to be looking for the low there, I think. Let me check on. Yes, no. So we could have maybe an SMT at this low and then go higher, but because we are about to close below here, but yes, still holding this, so I'd still be looking for bullish prices. So just looking at the structure here, 5 minutes. Do have some lows here. All these lows are open. So yeah, I want to see the juice swing go lower. Take out these lows. Doesn't have to be, but yeah, I would prefer it to go lower. We'll see. At least need to wait until 9:45. Which is going to be, oh, that was already right there. 9:46, no entry in here, so still waiting. We have all these lows here, so it could maybe be a big drop into the sell side there, but we'll see. Doesn't have to, but it could be. Waiting, there's the sell side. We have a big SMT now because the sell side is all the way there on yes. Look at that low where it tapped. The singular inversion, or the singular busy on the 8-hour, beautiful. So yeah, now it's going to be looking for bullish price. Is that a 4-hour low? It is, so at least need to wait for a 5-minute low to get taken, which is now. So now it can be looking for bullish prices. If you have an inversion. Okay, we did take equal lows on here. See if we create a busy or a SIBI. We do. Took out equal lows as well. Let's see with this. You want to close above 1, 2. No, we don't. So waiting here. We do get a nice staircase here, I would say. Still waiting here. There's no way that this is something. No. Okay, waiting here. 10:26. We do drop lower, but I still look for bullish prices. There's no way. Let me just mark out this. Yeah, I check right. Right there. No, we didn't take anything. Okay, so that's good. Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything. Yes, taking out on this same swing low. There's no way this is going to be looking so hindsight. So closure above here. Okay, this would be right away break even. So that I know, but I don't know if it's going to be actually a winning trade. How long have you been trading, and do you enter with real money or demo account? I'm trading on a prop firm account now, and doing a challenge account. Yeah, doing a challenge account on there. So I trade futures on a prop firm called Top Step, and I have a 50k Top Step account on there. I have to go, brother, but good luck with your backtest. Thank you, Maker. Thank you, man. You're doing great. 175%. 175 trades, impressive, and show real ambition. Unlike the usual 175 trades. That's still nothing. I think I'm at like I've taken 1760 trades. But thank you, man. Yeah, I honestly like. I love backtesting. Like it's like I don't like to do it every day. Like I would say that's the discipline, but like I really do get the results of this. And I do really see the results of this. So that's like, I do like it, but I have so many, like it's insane. But thank you, Maker. Thank you so much, man. Really, really appreciate it, man. Have a good night, man, or a good day. I don't know where you live. See you, man. No, I'm not profitable. No. No. I want to make that clear, and I think that's clear with the title. But yeah, that was the entry. So closure above on there. Looks really hindsight, I know, but I'm gonna be taking this because I would, and it's for myself, of course. So that's a break even. 0.67 RR. Wanted to at least will be first TP stage accumulation in this market maker buy model, which will be the high here. Same on yes. Let's see if that actually is a stage accumulation in this market maker buy model. This would be the original consolidation. It would be, yes. That'll be first TP. This will be final TP. Let's see if you want to get there. So I know at least a break even trade there. Yeah, it was break even on yes would be right there. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, that is hit, obviously. Not gonna take it off here because my profit would be way more than I would have taken. So, oh, but that would be full TP off there. Shit. This is annoying with like FX replay. Like, how do I take my actual profits on there? Like a limit order would be better if I can actually take a limit order off. Let's see if you can go back. Yeah, okay. So I would take 75% off there, and then yeah, my break even is gonna be lower now because this would be full TP. Or that's not what actually in the market would do, but I want to take it actually off here. So see if you can get it there. Like a yeah. Okay, so that's good. So there was like a 2.37 or 75% off here. Right there. And this was full TP, and then yeah, yes, took it out on the same candle, so that's good. 3.21 RR full TP here. Nice. So really nice trade. Like yeah, don't looks really hindsight on this, but I know it isn't. So there, equalize taken there, or equalize equal lows. So let me just mark it out like this. Took out for a low, but at least had the 5-minute turtle soup, which we had here, and then beautiful. Copy image. Oh. Paste it on here, and that'll be the winner for a day. So that'll be that day. So we're gonna skip this day now. Let's see what we did the rest of the day. I would still be bullish, going till the buy side, and this would be like I wouldn't say the Judas swing, but still the bias is there. Let's see if he did go there this day. This is now the lunch hour. See what we did here. 13:50. I would be back on the charts now. See if you get a run around here. You're like end of the day now. Do go higher, and eventually do take the buy side. Pretty choppy session, I would say, but is there a reason? No, don't see any reason, but eventually we do go there. That's really nice, but that will be that day. Literally the bottom, that's crazy. But going to the next day now, which is going to be Tuesday. Yeah, I'm actually, let me only do this day. Yeah, only this day, and then I'll end the session. Which website do you go for backtesting? It's FX Replay. So let me just look it up for you. It's this. I do pay for this. It's $30 a month. But yeah, you can literally go. You have anything. So I have NQ, ES. You have Forex as well. Like if you could go create a new account. They just got a new dashboard. You can trade all these assets. So crypto, Forex, GBP, USD, USD, like the main ones, of course. And then exotics, everything. Futures, indexes, and this is like, or indices. And then this is like the CFDs. Or these are the CFDs. And then energy, yeah. You have crude oil, soybeans even. And then it's crazy. Like you can literally go... like they have so much data. Like this is NQ and ES, and these go back to before 2012. But you could go back in time with this on literally a 1 second chart to 2012, which is crazy. You could literally, if you want, you could backtest all the way from there, all the way to data from there, and that's only on NQ and ES. Like I don't know how, like what Forex and stuff is, but yeah, this is what I'm using. And then pricing. Yeah, it looks like I'm really promoting this. Yeah, I am promoting this, but I'm not sponsored or something by this. But yeah, like honestly, like it's so good. It's such a good thing to have and to do. I don't know what this is. This like their Black Friday offer, but yeah, I pay $30 a month. They do have a free version as well, which I can see now. They do have a free version as well, which you don't, of course, don't get all the stuff that you normally can. Yeah, like this is a free version. You have the intermediate version as well. You have some things, and I have just this one. Like I have everything then. Like this was their old plan. I'm just sticking to it. Like I want to have all of that. Where do you buy a funded account? So, like if you don't know what it all is, like if you're asking like do you know what platforms are? Like otherwise that's the first thing to do and stuff, of course. But I have it here, and then I have a 50K account. If you want to trade futures, TopStep, MyFunded Futures, or Apex are the top 3 firms. Let's see what we have here. So it'll be bullish from here, trading until the buy side all the way up there, which is the stage of accumulation is market maker buy model, which actually ES already took, so no, that isn't going to be the target. This is going to be the target, but that will definitely be taken. The first next start is going to be all the way up here. Not expecting for this to be taken on just on this day, but I'm trading towards it, so just looking for bullish prices. Still holding that busy, that was way lower, but let's see where we are now. News, we have 10 a.m. news, no other news. This high is taken as well, so just going to be looking for bullish prices. Looks really bullish here as well. So hopefully we can just get choose swing lower, taking out maybe these lows, which also looks like a trend line, and then from there go higher. And then yeah, same thing on ES, of course, we'll see. Yeah, looking for bullish prices. Waiting, it's a nice push. Still waiting, now waiting for 10 a.m. news, which is here. That isn't a big candle at all. Nothing here, still waiting. Okay, drop lower, taking out the sell side below this low. ES as well. And then yeah, did take equal lows, so take two perfectly equal lows in this low as well. So if you close above, then that would be an entry, which we don't yet, which we do now, so that would be an entry. This would be my break even, or here on ES, which that already took the high, so that would be there on NQ. This would be the inversion. Take out equal lows on this one swing low. This is going to be the entry. Stop at the low. Place order. That's going to be break even. It fixed 1 and 2 now. There aren't any stage of accumulation in this market made buy model, so it's going to be a fixed 1 and 2 RR. And then yeah, full TP will be this probably outside of 1 and 10, so it'll be a 1 and 5 full TP. Because I'm trading towards the buy side up there, but I'm not expecting for that to be taken. So if the target is beyond 1 and 10 RR, I just take it out full 1 and 5 TP. If you want to get there, of course, like. Let's just first see if this is going to be a good trade. Let's see. So I'm filled. Literally, same candle is going to be the stop. Let's see what we did after. Did we close above? Not yet. Okay, we did now. That would be my entry, but same thing. Break even is going to be at this. Let's just play it out for my notion. See what we did. Okay. Yeah, yes, took out this. So I'd be break even on here. In a small loss as well. Not even going to take this, but I will mark it out in my notion. Will I? It's almost literally the same trade, but this will be marked out in my notion, which is a full stop. So unfortunate on this. Still looking for bullish prices, still in the right time. Take out equal lows here. Let's see what we do. Do trade higher. Singular reinversion would be this 2 minute. After taking these equal lows, let's see. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We did close above, still in the right time. Does look pretty choppy here, but there's no real reason here for it to do that. Like there's no major impactful news or anything, or yeah. That'll be the entry. That'll be the stop. Taking out all these equal lows, even this low. Taking out all these equal lows, same thing. Break even will be here if inside of 1 to 1, which it is. And break even on yes will be, oh actually, that'll be at this high. Yeah, same high on yes then, so that'll be literally on this high. Really, really tight break even. But yeah, we'll take this. Like we could just trade through there, which I think we will. So it's still worth taking, and still the RR would be a 0.33 RR, so that would be valid. Wanted to do our first EP, break even on that black line. Let's see what we do. That's literally right there, break even trade. So this is going to be a break even trade, yeah. See what we did eventually. This has some more trading time now, I think 11:10, 11:01 was our break even on here. How was there a re-entry 2 minutes? No, okay, so there wouldn't be a re-entry, but let's see. Either stop or high gets it, and then I will mark it out my Notion. And okay, so yeah, that's unfortunate break even, but yeah, it is what it is. So yeah, that was what I was expecting, but just gonna be in there, copy image, paste it in here. Are there rules that you have to trade? Yeah, you have to trade, you have different rules on the combine stage or the challenge stage, and you have different rules on the funded stage. So yeah, a lot of things that I can't explain. Like I will try my best. Like you have a minimal 5. No, I just need to read the rules. Like I don't know on the top of my head. I do know all of them, but just explaining them right here, that isn't gonna do it. Where did you note your trades? In Notion. So it's in Notion. It's free. You can use it. And I made a table view and then, yeah, paste it all in here. So created all, yeah, what is this, tables? And then, yeah, pasting just a screenshot of trading view, putting it in there. And then having folders for my break-even trades, my winning trades, and my losers. But no going to the PM session. Still going to be bullish, I think. Let me see. 50 minutes, 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. We didn't close below this yet. If we do, then we did take out the range high. And then probably this can be the target. Same thing for ES. If we do close below, there'll be a forced busy on ES right here. Same for NQ. In 40 minutes, if we close below, then I'm going to be looking for shorts toward this. And then from there, it's going to be looking for bullish prices again. So 40 minutes, we'll see what we do. But I'm still bullish now. So let's say 13.15. Take out one low here. Did either 13.15 manipulation. Did take equal lows here as well. Lows above. I don't like this trade, but yeah, I need to take this trade. See if you come back there, so I can enter with a stop or buy stop. All right, there, save. So yeah, this is like my like the strategy is almost like 90% mechanical. And there are trades where I literally like, okay, I don't like them, but if it shows, then I do need to take them. Because I don't know what the market is going to do. If I did know what the market was going to do, I didn't even need a strategy. So I am following the strategy and not otherwise. Stage of accumulation is market make buyable. We're going to be start. That will be first start, which will be extended. Okay, to this high, which is inside of 1 and 3. Right there. And for yes, same thing right there. Full TP will be at this high. Let's see with this. So yeah, I'm filled in this. I would be filled right there on this candle already. So it looks good now. Still no break even, still waiting. That's a break even. Okay, break even trade. Let's see what we did eventually. See if I would enter on this. Don't think I did, but I think there was an entry out here. I mean, That would have been hit. So yeah, like again, this is just beautiful. Like I was really not confident with this, or I was just not confident with it. Like some trades I'm more confident, but you can see it working. I was break even on this, unfortunately, but that was a nice push there. Let's see if there was a re-entry. So still in the right time. Wait until 2 p.m. now. Closure above this. Yeah, it is a trade, but just think it's going to be break even just because of the big stop. Singular inversion. Is it even? Literally with a tick. But it still is valid, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it is. That's going to be the closure. Took out this low. Okay, maybe it even isn't. I took out this low. No, it even isn't. Okay, so no trade there. Yeah, so unfortunate there. So that would be a break-even trade. And that will be the entire day. And also the session. So yeah, unfortunate on those, on some trades. But that is what it is. And let's go to the summary. I'm going to bed now, but I'll see you sometime. I think I will go really well for you and pray that you'll best. Wow, thank you, man. Honestly, really, really appreciate that, man. Good night, man. See you then sometime again. See you, man. Thank you. Yeah, where I left off then. Oh shit. Here. Okay, so this is where I left off. Well, I thought this was actually going way worse than I. Well, this is going way better than I thought it was going. I was in like a 3 losing streak, which was right here, but the count's still at the highest that it's ever been. I really didn't know that. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, beautiful. This is the results for today then again, and yeah, gonna end it here. Yeah, gonna end here. Then yeah, King Sen, good night, man. Sleep well. And then one other person watching as well. I don't know who you are, but really appreciate you. Thank you. We'll end it here. See ya.